Sionyx is a high-tech manufacturing company specializing in digital night vision technology. The company's scaling, and we're growing both in headcount and processes and products. We had islands of capability, whether it be finance or supply chain tools. We recognized the fact that we had to get a monolithic system that was going to fuse all of the elements of the company functions together to drive to the next level of capability.
Some of the biggest challenges we were facing was that we were still using a lot of spreadsheets, and a lot of the things that we were doing were manual. We had several different software applications that we were using that didn't talk to each other at all.
In my role and in my team's roles, we rely on a lot of the operational excellence that a ERP brings to the table. Phoenix Business Consulting has given us the direction on how best to use the SAP ByDesign software, where it has allowed me to create efficiencies in not only the retrieval of the data, but how we can package that data together. It's become really a one-stop shop for us.
Phoenix Business Consulting has been in business for over 25 years. We're an SAP Gold partner that focuses on implementation, training, and support of the entire SAP suite of products. Sionyx came to us with a very common problem. They had many different silos or many different systems in which they input data. We sold them SAP Business ByDesign and then consolidated all of their current systems into one ERP system.
With Business ByDesign, we're able to have all the information right at our fingertips, and you can drill through all the different screens and get the information that you need in a timely way.
Phoenix Business Consulting has a wide range of expertise in areas where they have been able to give us guidance on improvements or areas that we should consider as an upgrade. Leaning on them has been, a wonderful experience because it's enabled us to look outside of the box.
Sionyx is super customer-oriented, and responsiveness is everything with our customers. Quality is everything with our customers. This implementation and investment we're making is going to help drive our responsiveness in the marketplace.